We are here at Suneka police station in Bonchari constituency to come and look at this project of Suneka police station, which was initiated by Ng-Cdf. And we have come here following a complaint from members of this community that there is a problem here, and we came to see the problem. There were claims that some money was lost here, and we have listened to the witnesses, and they have given evidence. We are going to unravel the evidence and come up with our recommendations on the way forward. But it is clear that some money totaling 3.6 million is not clearly known where it went. And we, as a committee, we don't want any PMC in Kenya. There are many. We do not want any PMC in Kenya to soil the name of Ng-Cdf. Ng-Cdf, which we examine and gov, these are funds which come from the national government and then go to the villages, which have impacted the lives of many people in the villages. And if you fly all over Kenya, you'll be able to see at least a project in every village in Kenya initiated by Ng-Cdf.